Hello, and welcome to this App Studio how-to video. Today we're going to show you how to highlight areas of interest on your map by assigning each one a unique color. Add the Web Focus request that provides the location dimension in the Requests and Data Sources panel. This request is a table that generates XML output and has a defined field named region that will be used to color the polygons. In the Settings panel, specify the request that you selected previously. You must also specify the geographic role, which must be defined up to the country level. The country can be set manually, as in this example where we are only showing US states. Alternatively, you can define the country using a field in the request. Finally, customize the symbol settings. In this case, we will use the Unique option to set a color for each unique region. To configure unique symbols, move each value of the region field to the right and select symbol properties for each region value separately. In this example, we will set the Midwest to blue, leave the Northeast as the default red, set the South to orange, and set the West to teal. The runtime map has a unique color for the polygons in each region. To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.